Hello everyone, welcome to the next video of the Python series. So today in this topic I will tell you about list. So what is list in Python? Basically list is a I have told you I will tell you in describe I will tell you in full detail. So what is list? List is, you can say, it is a type of array or something like that, but you can store more than more than two types of variable, or more than one types of variable. Like you can store an integer as well as a character inside a list. Suppose the syntax is list equals to, you have to give two curly brackets, 1 comma 2 comma 3. These are lists. So with the help of the list you can do many things. And lists are very much useful in Python programming. That is why my list equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3. So this is my list. Print my list. It is displaying the result 1 2 3. So if you want to check the length of the list, what will you do? Length my list. The length of the list is 3. So suppose you can always take an character list also. My list equals to means integer related. Suppose there is 1 2 3. Take any name one. I am taking the generic value because it will look good in the video. So my list. So if you do length my list, so what will return? It will also return 3, because it will not count the single character, means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. It will count this whole as a single digit, this whole as a single, this whole as a single. So that is why there are three values, 1 2 3, because we are giving in a quotation. This string is one string, there is second string, there is third string. You can always do like, you can always print the list like this. So ml equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 1 comma hello. So it will not give you error, because you can that I have told you previously, that you can store more than one type of value. Means you can store an integer, you can store a string also in a list in together at the same time. So if you print ml, so they are printing. And if you check the length of this thing, what it will return? It will return 5, because there are 5 types, because there are total all 5 values. 1 2 3, there are 3 values, and 4 and 5. So it is returning 5. Suppose ml equals to 1. It is reading 2 3 4 5. As I have previously told you about, the colon is used for returning the values up from position, from step to up to that position. So it is reading from step 1 up to last. The ones at one position, what is there? It's 2, because the index always start from 0 0 1 2 3 like this. So at at one index, that is 2, so it is reading from 2 and up to last 3. So you can always concatenate a list also. What is there? My ml dot dot append python. So print ml, it is 1 2 3 1 hello python. So you can concatenate, or you can append this like this also. You can concatenate, means my ml equals to 4 5 6, and then what you can do, ml plus ml2. So they will concatenate with each other. The value of ml is 1 2 3 1 hello python, and the value of ml2 which you have given 4 5 6. So if you do like this, ml plus ml2, ml plus ml2, so what they will do, they will concatenate with each other. So basically you can concatenate a list also. And so this is basically the functions of the list. And one thing, ml, so ml equals to, so a 2 2 2, and I will not do 2 2 2 3 3 3 like this, and hello. And if you want to know the position, suppose if you print ml0, it will give a like this. So this is the function of the list. And suppose there is one list that ml equals to 3 comma 5 comma 1 2 comma 9 comma 7. You ml dot sort print ml, it will sort the list for you. So this is the command for it will sort in ascending order on. And if you and now if you want to do a descending order sort, what will you ml dot reverse print ml. Now it is in descending order. So if there is a random number of lists 3 5 2 9 7 like this, and if you and someone tells you to sort the list in descending order, so in that case what will you do? There is no other, so there is no function like descending order sorting. There is only function of ascending order sorting. So first sort the list, so ml dot sort, it will sort the list in ascending order. Then you reverse the list using the reverse function ml dot reverse, so it will sort the list in descending order. So this is the function of the descending order you can do. So these are all these are all the functions of the list, which these are lists are very much useful in Python programming when will you do program. So thank you for watching the video.